Hello folks, CAMO Cowboy Outdoors. I'm up here in the Meadow Lake Provincial Park. It's about a 30-minute drive from home, and I'm gonna do some fishing, but I just thought I'd show you guys the aftermath of a tornado. This is the Murray Doyle campground that got hit on June 29th of this year, and luckily no one was killed. There was people camping there, and people got hurt, but I guess the good Lord was looking down that day because nobody got killed, and that's really amazing. The campground is still closed. There's so much mess there that they just never reopened it this year. Here you can see absolute mess. I suppose a person could salvage a bunch of firewood out of it. Have to be a lot of work to clean all that up. Here you can see a bit more of the devastation. This looks like someone took a D8 cat and just waltzed it around in there. Kind of amazing the power that nature can have. Hope this film's okay because I'm driving along in my truck and I can see the camera kind of vibrating. But it clipped onto my window mount, so we'll see. So anyways, as I was saying, that's the Murray Doyle campground, and that's just by Lactus Isles there. Where I'm going to go fishing is on the other side, the north side of the road, a little lake called Johnston Lake. I've been up here a few times this year and caught some pike and some walleye, and at least this road they got open. It's just a short little trail coming in here. I'll just show you some more of the devastation. Hopefully I don't have to use the facilities. What a mess. I don't know what they're gonna do in here. I would imagine they'll maybe salvage some wood, but I'm sure they're just going to have to come in here with bulldozers and probably just clean it up the best they can. I don't know. It's going to be quite a project anyways. But here's the little lake I'm going to be fishing at. Can drive right up to the edge, put on my hip boots, see if I can catch some fish. Wish me luck. See you down the trail.